The government has decided to reduce the prices of domestic LPG cylinders by 200 rupees per cylinder for all consumers. Union Minister for Chemicals and Fertilizers Dr. Mansukh Mandaviya has said that the government will soon launch a new scheme for promotion of research and innovation in pharma med sector PRIP with a total outlay of 5,000 crore rupees. ISRO has said that Pragyan rover's laser-induced breakdown spectroscope has confirmed the presence of sulfur in the lunar surface near the South Pole through the first ever in situ measurement. Youth Affairs and Sports Minister Anurag Singh Thakur has announced that 1,000 Khelo India centres will be established within a year in the country. Ahead of G20 summit, Delhi police has prohibited flying of some conventional aerial platforms like paragliders, hang gliders and hot air balloons in the national capital for security reasons.